Hi guys and welcome again. It's me Danielle. So today we are going to be doing a walking tour to the center of Karlsruhe City, and we are going to be starting from Europa Place down to Marktplatz and end it at the Palace. Europa Place simply means Europe Square, Marktplatz means Market Square, and the Palace is the Palace. Except in German, Palace is called Schloss. But yeah, this is not a translated video, so that's by the way. So yeah, we're gonna do the walking tour, and actually this video is was filmed on a Sunday, and yeah, we're not gonna see a lot of people on the street because on Sundays in Germany shops are closed except for restaurant. So I would say it's like a mini holiday, or a mini public holiday. Well, that is how it is in Germany. Shops are usually closed on Sundays, but on normal day this is a shopping district, so people, it's always crowded. Yes, it's very crowded, so still a lot of activities going on and there. But yeah, since it's filmed on a Sunday, we're gonna see less of that, less of people, no shops, just people relaxing and having fun and enjoying themselves in the restaurant. And that's very cool because we can actually see the beautiful edifice along the way as we go on this journey, and appreciate how the old edifice has been kept up to date. And they have a lot of stories to tell as we go along the way. We see we get to know some of the histories of history in Karlsruhe rather. And yeah, that's just it. So if you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. It's all about lifestyle, travels, and motherhood. And to my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate it. And yeah, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps to grow this channel. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I want.